Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that whenever I come out with a new video, you will be the first one who will be getting the notification. And many a times, as I have requested you people watch our videos but never subscribe, so please don't do that. Please help us to support this channel. And today we'll be looking at how to fill up Europe Schengen visa form. Okay, I think so it will help you a lot, and without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. Okay, so first we'll go to secure to consulate. Okay, then we'll go to the site, just click the first one. Now we'll put English, then country. I have to put India from I'm Indian, sorry. And then I'll go with New Delhi. Just wait for a moment. Okay, now Schengen visa fill-in form. So we'll go with number 4, number 3rd Schengen visa. Okay, so out here you can see application for Schengen visa. So first of all, we'll put our name, my surname, then again the family surname, or in the birth, whatever the surname was given, my name, then date of birth, then place of birth will be India, will be the place where I took birth. So let's put, now the country, I'm an Indian, so I'll go with India. Current nationality also will be India. Original nationality, I'm from India, it will be India. Okay, my sex, whether male or female, you can choose from there. So male, whether single, married, separated, let's go with married. Now let's go and see this one. There are 5, you can see here the types of passport. So my one is ordinary, I'll go with ordinary. I'll have to put my passport number. Let's put the passport number. Okay, now date of issue, let's put the date of issue of the passport. Now the passport validity, till when it is valid. Okay, now Ministry of External Affairs, where it is applied from. It's from Guwahati, so I'll put my Guwahati. You can put according to your state. Now see here, in the case of minors, it does not apply for us, so we'll skip that. Now applicant, we have to give our address. I'm from India, so I'll put my address India, country India. Now I have to give my state name, then I have to give the place, from which place you are in that state, my postal code, then my home address, so you can check your home address at the back of your passport. Whichever address you have given, you please put the same address. Okay, now my email address, it should be in small letter. Now my phone area code, and my phone number. Please don't call in this number. Okay, now clause number 18, residence in a country other than the country of the current nationality. My one is no, I have been in India since birth. Now let's check with the occupation. You can see whatever the occupation that you are in. As for in my case, no occupation, so I'll go with no occupation. Now out here I have to see whether I'm going for employer or I'm going for student visa. So it's an employment visa, so I'll go for an employer. Now out here the purpose, you can see there are a lot of purposes. Now you have to mention for what purpose you are going to go for applying for Schengen visa. So in my case it's a work, so I'll go with others, then I'll specify work. Now details regarding travel. My first entry will be Poland, so I'll go with Poland. You can check there, and if you have some other country where your first entry will be there, you can go with that. And my last exit also will be Poland, so I'll go with Poland. Now number of entries requested, you can go with single, 2 entries, or multi. I'll go with multi entries. And then number of days, I will go with 60 days because it has to be less than 90 days. Okay, now intended date of arrival to Schengen, when I want to go get inside of Poland, so I'll just give that date. And when I want to leave Poland, I have to give the date, and it should be less than 90 days. Okay, it should be from 30 to 60 days, so please remember that. Other visa issued, no. Now fingerprints collected, no, till now no, because I've not went to Poland or any other country. Okay, now in this case, now the company who is issuing you, okay, you can put the details. In my case, there is no work permit that has been issued to me, okay, by any other company, so I'll go with I'll skip that part. Now I have to give the name of the company where I'm applying, or the company who has given me the work permit. Okay, now country I have to put it's Poland because I'm applying for Poland. My place where I'll be going in Poland, or the company address, it's in Lodz, so I'll put Lodz, their postal code, and then phone area code, and then the phone number of the company. You can get all these details in your work permit. Okay, now I have to put the address of the company, where the company is situated. Now the email address of the company. Now I have to see this one, data of person covering expenses. It will be 2 ways. Okay, it will be by sponsor also, and as referred to 31 and 32 clause. Now my means of transportation in Poland will be by cash, and also accommodation provided by the employer. Now I am not an EU citizen, so I don't need this section, so I'll skip this section. Now I'll tick all the 3s. Okay, now continue. Okay, now it's been validated. Now let's validate the agreement form. Let's save it. Okay, here comes, let's print it. Okay, now okay, it's downloaded. Now let's open and see. Here it comes, application for Schengen visa. So this is how you fill up the Schengen visa for Europe. Okay, so I've just shown you. You can do it by yourself and save a lot of money. It is an easy procedure. And if you like the video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.